Well, I'm out walking my dog again today. Now, last night we had real heavy rain, so I'm pretty sure the lake will be higher than it's been yet. So I'm standing here and I can already see water. It's Thanksgiving weekend. It's about 74 degrees out here now. So it was a warm day. Started off real cloudy. We went Thursday. This is Sunday. Went Thursday over to eat with family and stuff, and my wife got sick, so she's got a fever and a bad cough and congestion. I did get a flu shot, so maybe I'm protected. I don't know. My throat did feel a little rough this morning, but I guess I'm okay. But yeah, Ruby, my little red-nosed pit bull, stays out in front of me. And I guess if anything tried to get me, she'd probably run off scared, but I do carry a stick. So let's come up here on the rock and see what it looks like. I know the grass sure did like the rain. I hear the water flowing already from here. It rained hard last night, hard. I guess y'all can hear the water running. There goes Ruby. Pan around this way, and yes, it's running great. Oh yeah. The lake grew a lot last night after that rain. It's just about up to the pipe coming down for the siphoning system. So it is at the bottom of it. So yeah. Very peaceful out here tonight. I hope this video turns out pretty good. Where I'm at, I've got using my cell phone, and the last video I did was just terrible. So hopefully this video would be better. I don't have a good service on Wi-Fi or internet or anything here. So a lot of times I have to wait to download the stuff when I get off the mountain here down to the bottom. Come down here closer to the water, you hear the water running. Very nice sound. I'm afraid if Ruby goes on that side, she won't be able to get across. She does not like getting her feet wet. And there she is on the other side. I sure do like the waterfall here. Well, that's it for now. I guess I'm going to sign off, and hopefully this video turns out better than some of the ones I've been filming. My phone got all stopped up and with videos and wouldn't hardly run, and then I cleaned some of it up and it's gotten a little better, but and I don't know, it's just this phone does not work good for taking videos for this. Thanks for watching.